Deer hunters are setting their alarm clocks tonight, anxiously awaiting the start of firearm deer season. Kyle's here with a look at your opening day forecast. Hey, Kyle.
Hey, Marley. So this kicks off half hour before sunrise tomorrow, and it's going to be a wet day. Also, pretty strong winds through the day. Winds start out south and shift over to the west, 10 to 20 miles per hour, but temps will be mild. We'll be close to 50 by tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at sustained wind speeds. Now keep in mind, gusts will be higher than this and will be even windier by the lakeshore. You could probably add 10 miles per hour to these numbers out at the lakeshore tomorrow. Sustained winds between 10 and 15, and again, gusts 20 to 25. And it'll be a soggy day for us, too. I'm forecasting rainfall totals for tomorrow between 1/4 and 1/2 an inch for most places, and I think it's possible that a couple of spots could see 6/10 or 7/10 of an inch of rain. So a pretty good soaking coming our way tomorrow. This, however, is just a taste of what's to come with a true fall-style storm system, some really strong winds, heavy rain, and a big cool down in the 8-day forecast, and I'll have that in a few minutes, Marley.